Hello guys, welcome to Street Tech, and today we are going to test the two mobile phone that you can get in the market, the Huawei P20 Pro and the Samsung S10. So we are doing the Antutu benchmark of these two mobile phones. So the Huawei P20 Pro is still the new phone. There is no P30 yet, so that's gonna come out soon. So for the meantime, we are going to test that compared to the new Samsung Galaxy S10. Okay, so to start, I'm just gonna show you what are the actual system that you can get with this two. At the moment, we have the Huawei P20 Pro has of course, a 9.0, similar to that one, Android 9.0, which is a Pie, and yeah, the new operating system with pretty much all the new phones actually have that. And yeah, so we're gonna test that out. In terms of their processor, the Huawei P20 Pro is already a year old and the Samsung S10 is quite new model, and we're gonna test it how powerful the Samsung S10. The Huawei, it has an octa-core of course, but it has a quite low gigahertz than the Samsung S10. This will have his Silicon Kirin 970, which is a 2018 model, and this is the new model of Exynos 9820. So we're just gonna test how powerful that is. The Huawei P20 Pro, it has an octa-core. 4 of them are 2.4 GHz and the other 4 is 1.8 GHz. Whilst the Samsung Galaxy S10, it has octa-core as well, with 2 of the cores are 2.73 GHz, 2 of 2.31 GHz, and 4 of 1.95 GHz. In terms of combination of all the gigahertz, the Samsung Galaxy S10 sounds a lot powerful than the Huawei P20 Pro. We're just gonna check it out now. What we're gonna do to test all the speed and stuff like that, we need to make sure that there is no application running in the background, so make sure everything is closed. So that's what we're gonna do now. So we closed everything, and now the big thing is to test the actual Antutu. Antutu will give us the actual score of the mobile phone. Okay, so in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so just to let you know, both of them have the same version of Antutu benchmark. Samsung S10 have 29 degrees Celsius battery temp or temperature. CPU is 35.5, and for the Huawei 31 degrees Celsius for the batteries and 31 degrees Celsius for the CPU as well. Okay, so we are just going to click the test, and that will start the test of the phone in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, it looks like the Huawei P20 Pro gone quicker, but this one, I don't know, it feels like the Samsung S10 is actually quick. This is now testing the actual graphics as well. Oh god. Yeah, I can see that the Samsung Galaxy S10 is a lot smoother compared to Huawei P20 Pro. So that is a good start. Can you see the difference between them? Yeah, so this one looks like stopping a little bit, like very sticky when it moves. It's not very smooth compared to the Samsung Galaxy S10. Okay, so the Samsung Galaxy S10 is now doing the random access memory, but the Huawei P20 is still doing that bit. It's now done. 60% compared to 56%. This is quite good. Okay, so that Samsung Galaxy S10, the Samsung Galaxy S10 finished a lot quicker than the Huawei P20 Pro, and it does say that it defeated 95% of the user. Okay, and that's finished now. Just take a look what is going on. So the Samsung Galaxy S10, it has 330,874 score, which is quite high. pretty much, wow. The Huawei P20 Pro, it has 161,841, almost double pretty much. So Huawei, of course, the Samsung Galaxy S10 is a lot powerful than Huawei P20 Pro. Yeah, so in terms of CPU, GPU, I'm not gonna say the numbers anymore, because it's obviously that the Samsung Galaxy S10 won the battle. And yeah, users experience, my god, that is pretty much twice as well. And memory, yeah, that is so good. Yeah, so well done to Samsung Galaxy S10. I just really find it really nice. It's nice to know the the score of each mobile phone. So if you're looking for a new phone and this and that, you know what you're gonna get. Okay, so Huawei P20 Pro is not as powerful as you think it is, but the Samsung Galaxy S10, it's a lot powerful than the Huawei P20 Pro. Okay, so in terms of using it in a day-to-day activity, of course Samsung Galaxy S is the new champion of phone. Yeah, I like the Samsung S10. Okay, so that is just the result of the Huawei P20 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S10. Let's see how the Galaxy P30 Pro, when it came out, let's see how is it gonna be compared to another competitive smartphone, which is the Samsung S10, S10 Plus, and this and that. Okay, so if you have any question, just put your question down in the comment section below, and I will try to answer that for you. And if you are new to my channel, just don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so thank you again, goodbye.